Hello and welcome to Social Media Marketing for Small Businesses using YouTube. My name is Julia Artino. I have a master's degree in curriculum and instruction and have been using YouTube for networking for several years. YouTube is a wonderful marketing tool with many free and easy features for small businesses to promote their business and connect to potential customers. This course will introduce you to YouTube and its many features that can be used to promote a small business for free. First, we will create a YouTube channel. To be able to do this, you need a Google account first. If you do not have one, please pause the course and go to www.google.com to create a new account and come back once you are done. We will now go to youtube.com and enter our Google account login information. We will do this by clicking on Sign In and then enter our Google account information right here. I am now logged in with my instructor account. I do not have a channel under this account. So what you will do is you will click on the logo and click on Create a Channel. You will then click on Get Started. You can either use a custom name or use your name. In this case, as you can see here, if you want to do it for your brand, you can do this. You don't have to worry about using your actual YouTube name or your Google name. You could actually create one. I will just select this one. And I'm going to call my channel the name of my make-believe business, which would be Julia's Baked Goods. And of course, you will name it whatever the name of your business would be. And then you will have to click under the statement here. And then you will click on Create. You will now have to verify your account. Once you enter your phone number, it will take you to this page right here, and it can take a little bit to get your number, your verification code, so you might have to pause the course and wait for this verification number. I'm currently still waiting for mine, and as soon as I get the code, I will enter it right here. I now received my verification code, and here is my new page now showing that my new account has been created. So this is where we're at right now. And then you can customize your channel from here. And as you can see here, it asks for upload picture, tell viewers about your channel, add links to your sites. And what we're going to do first is we will enter the basic information in the channel description right here. I should scroll back up right here. We're going to get to the profile picture next. So what we're going to work on first is our basic description. In this case, you would enter information such as services offered. You could add your location, your business hours, your contact information, you could add prices possibly. Pretty much any information that is important for your specific business that you would like to share. Please pause the course and return once you are done entering all of this specific information for your channel. Congratulations, you have now created a YouTube channel for your small business. Next, we will continue customizing your channel using YouTube Studio.